Welcome to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Computer Science and Engineering Department is the most finest and versatile department in Jaipur National University. The department was established in 2007, and I'm very happy to share with you that the department was accredited by NAC. The department focus is to prepare the student industry ready. For that, we have introduced various new technologies and courses in the curriculum. So the vision of our department is to transform our students so that they become the member of world-class powerful technical elites. They are absorbed by the industry. They are in huge demand by the industry. And the vision and mission is aligned to achieve these objectives for acute transformation for the students the day they enter into the department and the day they are having their degrees in their hand. The department offers Btec in Computer Science and Engineering, which is a 4-year course. The department offers another program, which is an integrated program, Btec plus MBA. The advantage here is that Btec plus MBA, the student can achieve both the degrees in just the span of 5 years. So second year onwards, the students will be taught 1 extra papers from management. And after they complete the 4 years of Btec, remaining in the next 1 year, they will complete their MBA second year program. So that is the advantage here, that you can have 2 degrees in just the span of 5 years. As we all know that nowadays, everywhere we see that the government needs a solution for a particular problem, and the solution lies in artificial intelligence. So we are also providing a specialization program in Btec, honors in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The another thing which is in great demand these days by the industry is security concern. Because whatever data we are storing in the organizations, we need to secure that data. So we need our students to be skilled up in these 2 areas, and that is why the department is offering 2 specialization courses. One is Btec in CS, honors in cybersecurity. The other one is honors in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Apart from this, the department also offers the PG program, which is MTech in Computer Science Engineering, wherein the students are getting the advanced technologies in their curriculum and they are becoming more acquainted with the industry requirement. We are having a very high elite faculty profile in our department. The minimum experience for the faculty members is 5 years and the max is 20 plus years, and that's great. Faculty members are working on various research areas, and the research areas are again AI, big data, blockchain, networking, databases, virtualization, right? IT field. There are so many fields, and research is going on in these various diverse fields. So the faculty members are actively working in these research areas. They are having 100 plus publications into their account, so that they can work as experienced mentor for the students. Now the Btec CS program is serving these program educational objectives. The first aspect is the core competence. We want to transform our students so that they are able to deal with the competence required in the industry. Because we all know that nowadays in the Digital India movement, the government of India is placing various problems on the Smart India Hackathon portal, and the youth is asked to submit the proposals for those areas. So this is one area where we want our students to see what problems in society they exist, and the student should be able to identify the problem, should be able to analyze and formulate the solution in terms of the latest technology, and then analyze it, and then solve the problem and present it. So many of our students, they are working in this direction, and they are selected by the Government of India also for working for these projects. Many of our students are pursuing higher studies, MS programs from foreign universities. So the basic educational objectives for our program is this. Then we prepare our students for a successful career meeting the requirements of industry. I'll tell you a lot many things, what we are doing, how we are preparing in these slides. Right? So we also inculcate our students the professional approach which is required in the industry, and to engage them in the lifelong learning and to remain current in their profession. So these are all the blended things which are required in the traditional teaching pedagogy that we are using in our department. Let's see the salient features of the department, how department is achieving these educational objectives in order to transform the students. So the salient features, as you can see, that we are having MOUs with various industries like IBM. We are having MOU with Red Hat. Many of our students, they have cleared Red Hat CCN examinations. We have an MOU for Btec cybersecurity with Cybercure company. We have MOU for AI and ML specialization program with Sametrix Private Limited, right? So that way, because under these specializations, the students are taught by the industry experts. So the demands from the industry are known to the students in advance, and when they complete their course, they are industry ready to be absorbed by the industry. As you can see that we are having workshops regularly in the department for AI, for blockchain, for big data, for cloud computing, and industry experts are called from time to time. In fact, many of our alumni are working in top MNCs, and they are working in government sectors at good positions. So at times we are calling them also to guide their juniors, right? And to have a healthy alumni linkage relationship in the department. Students, as I've told you earlier, that students are participating in a Smart India Hackathon initiative by the Government of India, and students, many of our projects from past few years are selected, and the students are giving funding from Government of India for working for these projects. The faculty members are the key, they play a key role in the department. So for the faculty members, we organize FDPs, faculty development programs. So faculties, they attend FDPs conducted via IIT Bombay, by NITTT Chandigarh, and faculties, they also upskill themselves by doing certain courses from Coursera, from Swayam, MOOC platform. Because the faculty need to be updated, then only we can provide the updated information to the student. So for that, in CSE department, we have opened a Swayam Neptal local chapter for JNU, wherein the students and teachers, they all upgrade themselves, upskill themselves in order to meet the requirements. So faculties and students, they both actively participate in MOOC courses. Then in the pre-final year and final year, we are having job-oriented courses like cloud computing, distributed systems, Python, industrial trainings, so that students are always ready for the requirements in the industry. And because of these things, all the students are having a very good placement record, and they are associated with the alumni also. The department must have innovative laboratories. So recently we have added to our curriculum the artificial intelligence and machine learning laboratory, the cybersecurity lab in our department, the Android lab, cloud computing lab. So these all labs and the resources helps the students to be ready. Department conducts the industrial visits. Recently, the students were taken to MetaCube Software Private Limited, wherein the industry experts, they have told students what are the new technologies which are coming in the near 5 years down the line, and how they can work on projects. What are the new ways, like agile technology, methodology, that they can see, and they need to brush up their skills in these areas. Recently, the students were also taken to Bhamasha Techno Hub, and this is a techno hub where various startups are run under the funding by Government of India. And I'm very happy to share with all of you that our placements are there in Bhamasha Techno Hub, whereas I think 5 students are working on these government funded startups there. As I've told you, this is the glimpse of our Smart India Hackathon winner team in 2018. They have developed software for Aadhaar card and mobile number and information mapping for the customers for all over India. As I've told you that we invite various speakers from the industry for the conduction of seminars and guest lectures. So these are the glimpses of the same cybersecurity seminars, AI. The workshops are conducted for DevOps, for AI, ML, Big Data, Blockchain, AWS Cloud in the department from time to time, so that the students, they are acquainted with the latest technological requirements. This is the glimpse of VR. The students do take participation in the outside activities like this. These are the glimpses for where our students' ideas were selected in the IT Day celebration, and they have prepared their idea for analysis of applications of Blue Brain on deaf and dumb people. So this was selected. The department organized quiz and other curricular activities in the department, and these are the glimpses for some of the quiz winners. Our students are very intelligent, as you can see here. This group was selected by the Sweden-India Nobel Memorial Quiz, which was held in 2018, and they secured a good position in that quiz competition. Next, this Abhishek Khandal, a student of final year, he was invited by the TEDx for an expert lecture, and he has also secured a CCNA certification. He was announced as a winner for Cisco Global Problem Solver, and he was given a prize money of $25,000. So that was great, and he's also working on a startup company, SenseGrass, which is funded by the foreign countries. Another student achievement is Aditya Vikram Agarwal. This student has secured a good position in the Wikipedia's World Cup in 2017. So our students are doing good job in the university, because for the holistic development of the student, cultural activities are also required. So in the university, Technoraz is a tradition of Jaipur National University, wherein various cultural and academic events, technical events are organized, and a platform is provided to all the students wherein they can participate for their cultural, for their sports, for their technical events. And these are the few glimpses for the same. Recently, we have opened an IEEE Jaipur student chapter, and during the Technoras, the technical event for technical paper presentation, we have invited the experts from IEEE chapter from Delhi, Professor Subramaniam. He has visited and he has inaugurated our chapter, and many of our students, they have enthusiastically participated in the technical paper presentation round. These are the few glimpses for sports meets which are organized annually in our university. Timely result declaration is another aspect for a department, and yearly the degrees are awarded to all the pass out students, and it's that also gives a great sense of achievement when all our students are securing good jobs in MNCs with their degrees in their hand. In CS, the students they may have various diverse fields for the placement. Like they can go for a system analyst, they can go for a programmer, software developer, software engineering, database programming. These are the various different roles the student may have as a system designer, developer, system analyst, network analyst, and a network engineer, or database administrator. These are the few companies where our students are placed. These are the top companies, again in CS, where our students are appearing, and they were selected for the past batches. We are having 1,000+ alumni. They are working in these companies. This is the current job prospectus in computer science and engineering. As we can see, in near down the line 5 years, around 18% requirement will be there in healthcare support occupations. 17% requirement will be there in personal care and service occupation, and 12% in computer and mathematical occupations. And we can see here food preparation, 10% requirement is there. Construction and extraction occupation, we are having 9.8% requirement. So total occupancy, we can see that 50% occupancy in the market is for the computer science field. So computer science field is a very diverse field. That is why we are saying, and it is a versatile field, and it is in huge demand. In every sector of the society, this field is in demand, as we can see. These are the some happy moments and happy opinions by the students. And thank you all from my side.